Hello everybody, in this video we show how you can register or re-register the LG Magic Remote to your TV. When you do the first setup of your new TV, you can register the remote to the TV by pressing the scroll wheel. Also, when you have received a new Magic Remote, just press the scroll wheel to register the new remote to your TV. You will see a message on the screen that the Magic Remote is registered to the TV. If you notice that you can control the TV with the buttons, but not with the pointer on the screen, the Bluetooth connection with the TV might be gone. In this case, you can re-register the Magic Remote by pressing and holding the Guide button. Hold the Guide button until you see the message that the Magic Remote is re-registered to your TV. This is how you can register and re-register the Magic Remote to your TV. If you have a problem with the Magic Remote, check out our video LG Magic Remote Troubleshooting Tips. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.